Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Sanibona, igama lami Sakhile Shabangu. I'm born and bred here in Alex, and I'm a social entrepreneur. So yeah, I own a company called Pro Africa Group, and under the company we have a subsidiary which is a travel company. So basically what we do is that we try to put together cost-effective group travel experiences for people in the townships. So that's the space that we're trying to close because we understand that travel is a pretty much expensive exercise, and not a lot of people from black communities get an opportunity to travel because of how much expensive it is. Today we're here for the tea event, and it's pretty much been a dope experience. A really powerful keynote speaker by the name of Mr. Billy Seleka shared some powerful principles which I think I'll be able to apply moving forward. So yeah, you can get a hold of me via my Facebook pages. So my Facebook pages are all my name and surname, which is Sakhile Shabangu. Hi, I am Sakhile and I'm a township entrepreneur.